Hello, our topic for today is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of integers. We all know that integers is a number with no decimal or fractional part, and it includes negative and positive numbers. Integers are composed of positive and negative numbers. The positive numbers include 0 and also the natural numbers. So we will give an example and how to compute using this the sign and the sign of integers, operation to use, and answer sign. We discuss by giving an example. So ito ang gagawin natin ngayon. Sa sign of integers, magbibigay tayo ng mga sign ng integers para kung anong gagamitin nating operation at anong magiging kalalabasan niyang sign. So unahin natin sa addition. Sa addition, pag naglagay tayo sa integers ng positive integers plus positive integers, ang operation gagawin natin is addition. So, since parehong positive, ang magiging answer sign niya is positive. Ayan, answer. Bigay tayo ng example. Let's say, ang example for the both positive is positive 4 plus positive 5. Ang answer niya is 9, positive. So, tama yung satisfy natin yung sinilagay natin na pag parehong positive sa integers, ang operation ay addition, ang answer sign niya is positive. Okay. How about kung parehong negative? Negative sign plus negative sign. Addition pa rin Addition pa rin ang operation. So, negative plus negative, expect mo talaga answer nito is negative. So, sample tayo ulit. Sample number 1, ito sample number 2. Negative 7 plus negative 3 is equals to negative 10. Okay. So, how about if the sign of integers is 1 is positive plus the other one is negative. So, in this case, ang addition natin, hindi na siya magiging addition, subtraction na ang magiging operation. Instead, ang operation natin is addition, pero pag inactual na natin yan, magiging subtraction. Yung namang sign, use the integer with a bigger absolute value. So, let's say, ang mas malaki ang value ng negative, ang lalabas niya ay negative. Pero kung mas malaki ang value ng positive, lalabas niya is positive. Kaya ito ang gagamitin dito, use the sign of the bigger of the integer with a bigger absolute value. Example, ganito number 3 example natin. Let's say 8 positive plus negative 3. Ano yung malaking value ng sign ng integers? Positive, di ba? Di pag ang naging ko na ito ang kalalabasan nito, sabi niya sa operation, magiging subtraction. Pag ganito ang pattern, magiging subtraction. So, 8 minus 3 is 5. So, anong malaking bigger integer absolute value is 8, positive. That's why ang value natin na answer natin is positive. Okay. How about kung negative plus positive? Pareho pa rin to, subtraction pa rin. Subtraction pa rin ang magiging approach kasi negative and positive Magko-subtract talaga yan. Tapos ito pa rin ang ganito pa rin ang magiging rules. Magdidepende pa rin siya kung ano ang malaking sign na integer na may bigger absolute value. Let's say, kunyari example number 4. Negative 3 plus 8. Ano yung malaking value na positive 8. So, ang magiging answer nito is, pag sinubtract mo yan, is positive 5. Okay, let's say, mag-sample tayo na mas maliit naman itong value ng absolute value. Let's say, number 5 problem is negative 4 plus 2 equals negative 2. So, sa addition ng integers, tingnan nyo lang yung sign. Sa sign of integers, then, pag parehong positive, ang sign of integers na given, ang operation gagamitin is addition. Then, ang answer sign niya is positive. Pag parehong negative ang pinag-a-add, addition pa rin yan. Negative sign naman ang magiging result. Tapos, pag positive plus negative, automatic yan, subtraction agad yan. Hindi mo na pwedeng i-add. Kasi, magkaiba na siya ng sign ng integers. So, titingnan mo ngayon siya, yung sign ng integers, which a bigger absolute value, in ang magiging sign ng answer mo. Ito nga yung mga pinakita ko sa inyo solution. Yung 8 plus negative 3, ang malaking value dyan is positive 8. So, naging answer niya is 5. Dahil proceed siya sa subtraction, 5 ang answer niya, positive 5. Ganun din sa kabila, negative plus minus. Subtraction pa rin yan. Nagbigay ako ng example ng negative 3 plus 8. Absolute value niya na malaki is 8, kaya 5 pa rin ang answer. Nang ginawa ko naman, sa panglimang problem, example, nilakihan ko naman yung negative value. Negative 4 plus 2, which is mas malaki ang negative value, kaya ang lumabas during subtraction niya is negative 2. Ito sa next topic natin is subtraction of integers. Magbibigay tayo ito ng positive integers minus positive integers. Ang operation use niya is subtraction. So, ang answer nito is positive. Answer sign positive. Example natin. 10 minus positive 10 minus positive 7. Ang answer niya, ang difference niya is positive 3. Yun, satisfied natin yung unang condition. Ngayon naman, maglalagay tayo ng negative integers minus negative integers. So, ang ganitong operation to use is subtraction also. Subtraction. Ang answer sign niya, it depends. It depends on which integer, which sign of integers which is bigger. So use the sign of integer which bigger value, with a bigger value. So, example tayo. Negative 4 minus negative 3 is equals, ito example na to, is answer ito is negative 1. Bakit? Ito ganito yan. Negative 4, since negative times negative, magiging positive. Magiging positive 3. So, negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. Subtraction pa rin. Ano? Ano yung bigger value? Negative 4. So, negative 1. Okay. So, magbigay tayo uli ng Kung naman ang gawin natin dito is positive integer minus negative integer. O, ano magiging kwan dyan? Is addition ang magiging approach ng operation. Addition. So, sample tayo. 4 minus negative 2 is equals positive 8. So, gawin natin ha. 4. Since negative times negative is magiging plus 2. Ayun, let's say, mali pala to. 6 pala to, 6. Sorry. Ito na magiging positive 2 is equals 6. Oh. Okay. Then, the answer sign is positive. Since bigger and this one, nag-change to from negative to positive. So, ang naging value talaga niya is puro siya positive. That's why, ang sign niya is positive. Let's say, kung negative to, minus positive. Addition. Addition pa rin yung approach. Ito is positive. Ito naman is negative. Negative ang answer sign. Okay, sample tayo. Negative 9 minus 5 is equals to negative 14. Itong dalawang sign, parehong negative. Pag ganito ang approach niya, change this operation to addition, then proceed, pag ang isa ay ang subtrahend, minuend is negative 9 and subtrahend is positive, proceed to addition, then retain nyo yung sign. Kaya ito naging kanya, nag-proceed lang tayo sa addition, pero ang sign in-retain natin. So negative 9 plus negative 5, ganun magiging approach niyan. Magiging negative 9 plus negative 5 is equals negative 14. Yan ang magiging approach niyan. Ganyan din. Pareho lang siya. Magke-change lang ang unit ng operation, pero yung approach niya pareho.